Hello everybody. Today I am going to make slime without glue, borax, or cornstarch. So what you are going to need for this is something to mix with, something to mix in, something to mix with, dish soap, water, and flour. So after when you got all the materials you need, first you're going to pour in some flour. I'd suggest a lot, but not too much at the same time. Then you're going to want to add your dish soap. You can pour in a little or a lot. For me, I want to try to put it a little, as much as I can, and just after you put the dish soap in, you start to mix. And this won't be very long. All you have to do is just wait for it, and then you should have what it'll look like this a little. If you can see from the bottom, probably you can't, but maybe I will show you after. So after once it's all mixed together, I'm going to add a little amount of water, and here's water. A little bit of water. Not even that. A little bit. And then after, you're going to mix it, and as you mix it, it'll start to clump together. Water. I'm gonna add some more flour because I didn't put in too much. The last one I made didn't really turn out good, but the one that I first made, which I didn't make a video of, I made it while I was making a stress ball, which I will make stress balls in future videos. Well, right now I have balloons, but I only have 3 left. And this is what it should look like after you're mixing. And it might turn out to be a little bit sticky, so maybe you just want to put some more flour in it. Like A, put more flour on it, or B, play with it more, so then it'll turn out on how you want it to be. And I do suggest that you guys can pick whatever color you want, but I totally forgot. And as you play with it, it won't be as sticky, as stretchy, because it's flour, you know? But this is what it'll look like. That's the finishing touch after when you stretch it. And you can also add, I wouldn't do this, add more water, because then it'll just make it like stick to your hands more, because this is my hands after playing with it, because I added more flour and it's still very sticky. But from time to time, if it gets sticky as you play with it, maybe put in some more flour or dish soap. I wouldn't recommend using dish soap, but you have to, because that's also the main ingredient you could use that is good for your slime. And the reason why I'm making this without borax and glue is because borax can actually give you 1,000-degree burns. Yeah, you might think this is a sin, but it's not. My mom actually saw a video on it, and yeah, it was bad. girl's hands were all rusty, rashy. Wasn't pretty. And it's also kind of like dough. But as you play with it, and if you dip it in flour for like 5 times, not like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not like that, but like as you play with it, like you dip it in the flour when it gets sticky, like the 5th time after when you dip it in when it gets sticky, don't add more flour, but if it's really, really urgent, go ahead, because mine was really urgent. So yeah, that's how you make slime without borax, glue, or cornstarch. And if you want to go check out some more videos on Maggie Gamer TV, which is me, this is my first face cam because I don't know, I just don't really show my face in future videos because A, I'm using my tablet as a camera, and B, there's just no B reason. But just to let you know, for my Roblox videos, I made a new account, which was horrible. Because I saw this game where like, get a 3,000 more Robux free! And you needed your password, which I forgot my password. So I had to do another account, which already had 1 Robux left. But yeah, it was really, really sad. Tear. But if you guys want to come friend me, then my name is Jessica Smile. Well, no, like completely. So the J is capital. Here, I'll write it down for you guys so you guys can see it after. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll play Roblox and then yeah. But I am so sorry, guys. My videos have not been posted in a long time because I was really busy with school and so we had a big argument about stuff, which I'm not going to say. They're personal. And as you start to play with it, with the stuff on your hands, they will go bad. So make sure after when you do this, I'm kidding, I'm sorry. You need to wash your hands. Or just do this everywhere. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave. And I'm not going to be doing a giveaway, but if to join my squad called, I don't know yet, because I'm going to need your help making a squad for the name and for what reason. Like, you should have this name because it matches your YouTube or matches your YouTube videos or like whatever reason. So make sure to subscribe, like, put on post notifications on so you can watch future videos, and write a comment on saying what should be my squad name and what reason why. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys do this DIY slime with no glue and no borax and no cornstarch at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, do it right now. I want to get up to at least 10 likes because this is new to me, but even though I love YouTube. And go check out my favorite YouTuber named Sketch. He is on point. He is hilarious. So make sure you guys go check out Sketch, Dennis, Alex, Coral, Sub, and the Pals, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Ooh.